Mesdames et messieurs, bonsoir. Et nous brancher là, et puis nous vibe. Je dis à la son, nous recevons Granmoun, et Granmoun dans la là, et puis Granmoun pour apporter des informations pour nous, pour parler de problèmes pays, problèmes politiques, et problèmes des jeunes garçons qui fait des autres dans ce domaine. Vous allez comprendre. Granmoun, je dis à la fois, Granmoun qui j'en relais?
Je ne te connais là, je vous salue. On a comme appelé Granmoun Blode.
Ok, avec nos Granmoun Blode, et puis nous allons parler des problèmes qui passent dans le pays. Et Granmoun, soit penser des problèmes qui passent à Haïti, non, disons Saint-Domingue, yo, dans ma casse tête Jésus.
Dans ma casse tête Jésus, c'est des Haïtiens qui ont fait. Quand ça fait pas yo, parce que ça c'est pas travail haïtien.
Mais pas belle, pas belle.
Non,
comment Dominicain va le prendre en main?
Il va prendre bien.
Comment comprendre une discussion d'Amako avec qui j'aime encore J.
Hein?
J.
Ah, c'est pas le plus cher. Parfois, là que ça passe, nous comprenons l'autre étranger dans la joie. Tu comprends? Et you stop, man?
Yeah.
What's up?
J.
You wanna talk with him?
Il me parle anglais.
Say what, boy?
Oh, hey, how you doing, man?
Yeah, cuz.
You chilling? Are you Haitian?
You don't speak Creole, bro?
Yeah.
You speak Creole?
Oh, yeah, but.
Gaspé anglais, mais anglais, vous blanc, les travail, mon cher. Je bon, gaspé anglais, mon cher. What you say, haïtien, vous parlez créole, nous fini, mon cher. Oh, man. Agelazo. Ça rappelle zo.
Say what, cuz?
That's
it.
What's the border? I'm balik créole, base. I'm balik créole, haïtien, please. I'm balik créole.
What about the Creole, man? What about the Creole?
What? Yeah.
You say yeah. You say yeah, you don't say nothing.
Why you just say?
Just speak Creole with us, man. Just speak Creole with us, man.
Why you look at me like this?
You say yeah. What? You don't say no word in Creole, man. Say something in Creole, bro.
Good one. Have a good one. Have a beautiful.
Oh, my Creole, man. You know what they do now. C'est pas ici. Faut qu'on know tout, mais quand tu know Creole.
Ou pas parler anglais. Granmoun Blode. Hey.
Hello, what up?
What up?
You speak Creole?
No shit. Where you at?
Where you from?
California.
Oh, you in California, man. What's that? You wanna talk? You wanna talk to the Granmoun?
You wanna talk with your
to the old guy? To the sugar daddy?
Yeah.
Sugar daddy.
Yeah.
Sugar daddy. She looking for you looking for a your girlfriend. Yeah, like you. Like a beautiful girlfriend like you. That's right.
Wow. She looks so
Hey, talk to him. You can talk to him.
No, come I just want to see your face.
You don't need to do that. You don't need to do that. Yeah.
By the way, what's your name? Nous peut parler. Quand tu as une machine à changer de petite.
Yeah.
Deve peut parler à qui?
Yeah. Kasi non haïtien, ni kapi boumou.
Haïtien, nous besoin pas, on ne voit pas haïtien, non, yo peut.
Haïtien, c'est bon.
Ah, yo peut, toujours peut souffrir.
Yeah. Avec les pays.
Hey, somebody say she's jalouse. Ça, on ne peut pas faire jalousie, non.
Quelle femme ou Granmoun?
Moi-même, je ne peux pas me faire.
Granmoun a chargé la femme là comme si vous avez là, Granmoun. Et bien, vous famille ici, tout là, non?
Quand tu me pêches, nous allons prendre un blanche et tout, nous allons prendre un blanche encore.
Comme ça,
Ouais, 4 pour 4, putain!
Hein?
Qu'on voit tout cela, 4 pour 4.
Mais qu'est-ce que...
Ah, quoi, 4 chers, mais ça t'a bien cher.
Bah, on est noir.
On fait,
Tout le monde est clair, les gars, il y a un ministre.
ça me dit que, comment
Sorti dans le bras au caille, ministre.
Comme ça, les gars, c'est belle gueule. Princess.
Le gars, ça, il y avait des gens qui soulèvent là, et sur TikTok, quand il va faire, il y a même qu'on fait des gars de l'homme, des gars de la vie.
You can get Bolombi, oui.
Voilà, oh! Les gars, tu as Bolombi, oui. Les personnes qu'on a mis les bébés. Allez, on va la bien encore les bébés, on va manger mon la vie.
Je ne peux pas connaître,
On va sous mon la vie là.
Oh, ça c'est très bien, monsieur.
Ou même les bébés.
Ouais.
Mais car.
Depuis une bonne balle, 77 coups de langue.
Mais.
Ça va,
mais amis, 77 coups de langue, oui.
Ouais.
Mais.
De vous prendre là, ça t'a bien cher. 4 pour 4.
Chacun bien cher, hein?
Ouais, ça t'a bien cher.
Mais t'es. Vous entendez?
Aucun de nous ne veut frapper la terre, je tout.
Mais c'est oui, mais
Ça
pas
fait
nous
tout
conseil.
ça, toute langue sans baver.
Sans baver, oui.
Sans baver.
Mais car. Mais les personnes qui bouchoué là, comment 77 pour sans baver?
Mande grand non.
Mais j'ai là. Mon grand.
Ou peut changer tout.
Comment pas des ça, mon cher? Où de grand, moi?
Ou de grand.
Où tu dis Jérémy comme ça c'est mon cas.
Et quand tu montes ça, tu bon. Quand tu montes,
Toute femme qui a dit que il y aurait même si pas de game, je t'ai dit mariage.
je sais pas comme ça, oui.
Comme ça c'est juste au cas base, on dit comme ça c'est cool là. Là comme base, oublie qui femme.
Après, tu me notes ça.
Ah bah, je ne peux pas dans la locale Granmoun. J'ai monté toujours été base. J'ai monté, mais la planté, il m'a planté Marie, il y a un mari avec ma locale. On m'a menti là, menti.
C'est un grand oreille autant.
On est qui déjà mauvais UFC.
Eh, pas foot vraiment.
Pas foot vrai. On ne juste pas se passer au cas où on va.
Ça veut dire grand parce qu'on vient Jérémy.
Et pas vrai.
Et qui nous fait avant?
Gamin comme justement la porte.
Avant que nous continuions, on va nous faire ça. Partager le livre là. On continue à saluer tout le monde qui est en bas là pendant que nous allons continuer à saluer nous. Il y aura plus loin. Nous saluons Prince. Nous saluons Vanessa, nous saluons Skylam, nous saluons Jenny, nous saluons Valensky, nous saluons nous tous saluons l'homme qui a un grand mission. Et vous comptez pour le figurer. Un bon petit crier. L'homme qui a un grand nous, ou petit chicata.
Mon cher, jamais, mon cher. Gamin te respecte Marie, papa.
Ah, quand nous est bon, c'est bon comme ça.
En pile.
Ah.
Bon femme haïtienne.
Bon femme haïtienne.
Yeah. Gamin te on GFK.
Oh, parlez-moi de ça.
Yon belle femme créole.
Oh, ok, c'est ça que la femme grande.
Yeah.
Pour ça que écrit depuis le temps.
On est pour tout coûte.
Tout coûte. Abonnement faut qu'il est.
Gars, hôtel ceiling là.
Même peut camper.
Non, gars, hôtel ça, gars, hôtel ça.
Grand papa c'est. Grand papa c'est pour te cueillir, pour te cueillir mango, parce que les longues mes services, moi t'es accepté, moi tu te le fais.
Eh ben, mon cher.
Ah, est-ce que vous nous t'es sans te connaître?
Ah non, ouais, moi, c'est Granmoun.
Ah.
Oh, oui, je vous avec Granmoun.
Bon, ça va gagner te dire.
Ah, non, mon cher.
Ah.
Oui, avec Granmoun. On a besoin de tout.
Comment de bon Dieu, ça m'a voilà.
Le DG, vous pas de blode. Là, il y a même pas dans le chiot de mettre sous. Vous êtes tout sale. Vous êtes tout sale. Il s'ouvre une blode. Il s'ouvre une blode. Ici. Non, mon cher, il s'ouvre une blode, mon cher.
Si tu montres photo,
J'ai mis là, vous tapez pour moun, ok, là, pour moun. Pile tom, pile cacao pour faire chocolat.
Qu'on a regardé ça, oui. Qui peut changer le passé. En tous les cas, un chou. Chou va jouer, capable de mettre ce point.
Ou pas jamais gagner, ou pas jamais gagner. Gagner quand on déjà va avec gagner.
Ok, oui. Ok. So.
Monsieur avec gagner.
Tu avais moi prendre.
Qui gagne.
Là, ça te tue, moi.
Non, tu vas pas mon cher. Quand on est menti café mon bien rapide base.
Peut-être moi
Galam de mercenaires, Richard. Maladie c'est un mercenaire. Même ton commande c'est un bagarre. Ton petit mercenaire. Qui est dans le champ.
Megamouna. Hey.
T'as l'énorme levé de mer en l'air. Levé de mer en l'air. Des groupes à mercenaires. If you not do going up, il est bon à mais il a eu sa tonne écrasée, manger moulé.
Alors les mecs qui là, c'est mes amis, je vous connais.
Dans l'âme de mercenaire, puis j'arrive à sentir malade, c'est mercenaire. Même pour commencer à nagada, donc si mercenaire. Figi a dans notre chambre, reste fort à prouver ça, il a levé de mer en l'air, levé de mer en l'air, if you not do going up, piqué mon en l'air, levé la main, il a eu sa tonne écrasée, manger moulé, m'vin tant d'en côté, si Joe mercenaire, si Vibe mercenaire, allons taper chérie, doudou ou semblant mercenaire, Michael Dura, dans l'âme tonne écrasée, manger moulé.
Après, chambre qui est à monter.
Va bouton rage, mon cher.
C'est sa chambre qui est à monter.
Tension,
Attends, il y a des options là-dedans, par contre, options.
sensation dans le monde.
Il y a des options.
Sensation, c'est sentimental,
Attention.
Tension, c'est tension.
Ou est-ce qu'on peut faire ça, me parler?
Mais ça veut pas dire, mais on va dire sensation.
Mais ça, oui.
Tension, électrique.
On peut rester là, on peut de respecter le
Bah, de respecter, ma posture, ma pédog, la sensation, tension, dimension, précaution, tout ça.
Il y a des questions que tu as,
non, c'est tension artérielle. Tension artérielle. Et attention, tension. Tension net. On a des constitutions, convictions, toutes des questions.
If it have decision, it's not a problem, it's decision.
Mais ça me là, Jésus. Mais ça me là, je ne
You don't have to be worried about it.
Mais mon aménage là, on t'écoute bien la madame. Parce que mon a ici longtemps, mon a ici en 70.
I think you got a lot of problem because when I'm talking clear with you, you not understand.
You supposed to parler créole avec moi.
I'm not supposed to be clear with you. You know how to speak English better than me.
But I ain't go to school, but for
Yes, you do.
Every day, but I'm playing ici.
What tu peux lever, pas tu peux lever, je ne peux pas te lever boîte. Moi, même pour l'âge, même tu as levé boîte.
Je vais à l'école, il faut aller comme d'apprendre des capables anglais.
On vient à l'école, non. On allait, nous tous à l'école là avant.
Comment travailler comme baby,
oui, on voit qu'on a un tout point anglais.
Non, on dit ça.
Et puis, oui, oui, parce que
one.
One,
après one, ça vient après.
Mais quand tu t'appelles, tu ne peux pas faire one.
Après one, c'est three, one, two, three.
2,
Yeah,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10.
Oh,
1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Même quand les mix, il y a A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Yeah, nous connaissons musique. Qui lance son table. Yeah, I speak English too, baby.
Ok, parle anglais. Ok, one en anglais. Dis one. Qui j'avais dit one en anglais?
One, baby.
I don't know en anglais.
I don't know en anglais, baby.
Ah, ok, pas connaître.
Pas connaître.
Ah, ok, shut. Hey.
Allez, baby.
Aïe.
On dit, I don't know, baby. C'est pas connaître.
Hey, nous peut tourner, nous voyons pas quelle belle petite vidéo pour nous te voir dans Instagram.
Allez, baby, mon cher.
Non, nous peut tourner pour nous.
Ah, si.
Ouais. Nous pouvons nous contempler, ça dit nous tous. Lola, nous pouvons combattre.
I don't know, sir. I don't know.
On peut pas connaître.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know too. I mean, I don't know. I
Do
don't
you
know.
feel that?
So I don't know you.
Qui ça donne nos vledes en anglais?
I don't know.
Ayo, ou va connaître vous même parce que
On va dire mon aller. I don't know. Say I don't know you.
ma baille, il peut pas dire comme. Yon moun qui peut dire qui ça a donné nos vledes.
I don't know. Say I don't know. Say. Oh.
Ou peut mentor.
Ça y est.
Ou peut mentor, baille.
I don't know. Say I don't know. I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know. Say I don't know. That's right.
Ok, qui ça veut dire en créole?
I don't know. Créole. Allez.
Oui.
Est-ce qu'il n'a pas téléphone?
Non téléphone, non cell phone.
Ça c'est I don't know. Créole.
Non cell phone. Partagez le livre là, partagez.
I don't know. Créole.
Qui ça veut dire? Et qui ça veut dire? I don't know créole. Yon moun qui ça?
I don't know. Créole.
Sali, beautiful.
Ça I don't know. Créole.
M'pa connaît pas moi de. Faut dire.
Faut-il ça I don't know. Créole.
Mais,
Ça veut dire.
lui fait du téléphone ou sonner.
On va essayer avec ça.
Eh,
Ça I don't know. Créole. Mais caca,
c'est musique qui est
c'est nous mêler.
ça y est tout le monde en va là. Eh,
Qui ça?
on peut pas connaître.
I don't know. Bah, on est dans les pays. Ça dit là.
Et pour reconnaître ça,
Ah, on choque.
et pas voir tes carreaux, pas voir tes.
I don't know, girl. I don't know, man. I don't know.
I don't know. Just feel
I don't know, man. I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Hey, serious.
I don't know. I don't know. I'm not dim. I don't know. After I don't know. I don't know.
Qui est-ce nous peut saluer lui-même? Nous aimons Dread tout, oui. Pour mettre la vie là, il peut pas comprendre qui ça y est, peut dire, I don't know.
I don't know.
You don't know.
I don't know.
Partagez le livre là, partagez. Pour que là,
I don't know.
you
I
don't
don't
know. Why
know.
you don't know? If you don't know, you don't know.
I'm not going to know.
Ou pas connaître. Attends, pour venir dans le pays, pour que tu fasses Dread, pour que tu... Ou parce que, ou tu as tout box sur la tête.
Ok. Eh bien, nous devons la gueule.
Hola, ok.
Get l'eau chaude, l'eau frette.
No, Creole, habla o English.
Ok.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Everybody.
Ça English, c'est des pères.
You comprends?
Hello, I don't.
Oui. T'as de anglais?
Il a fait.
T'as de anglais, c'est ici?
Et là, il me sorti Haïti.
Oh, l'éternel. Oh, Jesus.
On a parlé avec mon.
Oui, parle anglais encore.
C'est pour blanc, lui même.
Everybody say blanc, you have to
Hello, I doing, guys? You good?
You good? Okay?
Je peux pas aller
Oui, ou pas fou, moun pas j'aime fou des fois.
Oh, mais il faut déjà aller.
On va comment de yo.
Non,
Et là, vous, comme il faut presque fou.
ouais, des caca aussi. Voilà les cambola.
Lorsque nous venons les 20 fois, on est tout même, c'est gros bout de pain.
Ah, ben les pères, même.
Et moi, je boulanger.
Boulanger. Boulanger, oui.
Et boulanger,
yeah. Yo, you back, yo, what up, everyone? You know what? I'm taking to the all guys, to the grandpa. I'm taking to grandpa.
Yeah,
the grandpa. This guy said he got money, he got everything.
Let me tell you something. I don't like when they call me grandpa.
You're
If you
grandpa.
come back my name, you can call me
You're an old
grandpa.
guy, boy. You're an old guy, boy.
No, I'm not old.
Man. You're old,
You
man.
older than me?
You're 90 years old, man.
No, don't fucking play with me.
This guy got 90 years old, man.
Look, got
91 years old. This guy
I
is too
told you.
old.
I told you.
Man, you are
I
too
told you
old,
don't
boy.
fucking play with me.
You are too old, boy.
I'm not old than you.
What the
How old you think I am?
This is my face in your face.
No, that's not
The
me,
different,
that's
man. You got that stuff in your face,
That's
man.
blessing.
You see
When
the-
God bless you, I'm a blessing, man.
You're a blessing, man.
Yeah.
What you mean?
Yeah, you know what this means?
Yo, man. Your face is fucking fucked up, man. You feel me?
Don't fucking judge
Oh,
me
man.
about my face. I'm not God.
You're too old, man. You're an old guy, boy.
Okay. What's
Yeah.
wrong with that? You have a
Yeah,
problem?
you need to accept that you're an old guy. You are too old.
Okay, let me
You're
ask
too
you a
old.
question.
You see, nobody on the live gonna talk to you, man. You're too old.
Hold
man.
on,
Everybody
let me
gonna
ask you a
want to be
question.
with me.
Hold on,
You know to be with me. You say I'm a young guy,
Hold on,
man.
hold on,
I got the
let me
vibes.
tell you.
I got the vibes. You know I can enjoy anything.
Listen,
Yeah, stuff
listen,
like that,
now,
bro.
you talk too much. You look like a little
Okay.
English.
You what? Tell us
No,
something,
I'm
Zero.
English.
You know what? I'm gonna look like a what?
You look like a little kid, okay, for more simple.
What the flow right there? What the?
You
what
see,
you
if
saying?
you wanna fight, we can fight. Because
Fact?
yeah,
You?
I can teach you.
I know you are too old, man.
Yeah,
You
no,
can do nothing, man.
no.
No, you can do nothing, man.
Yeah.
You're too old, man. You can do nothing, man. Yeah.
Don't talk.
You see?
No,
You see?
no,
You see? You see?
Yes,
You see?
yes.
No, man. What you want with it? You see? You see? Man, what the fuck, man? You see my muscle, man?
If you
You see my
touch
muscle?
me- if you-
Yeah.
if
You know
you-
I'm a big man. You see it? Yeah. You
If
see?
you touch
You see
me
my
now,
body,
I'm
man?
gonna
You
die.
see my chest? You see my chest? Yo, man.
If you touch me one more time,
I got energy. I got energy, man. I got energy, man. Your grandpa, you need to stop.
If you touch me now, I'm sure I'm dying on class.
Grandpa, you need to stop. You need to stop saying shit. I'm sorry.
You don't know if you are a little kid. You think you can play with me whatever you want? No.
Your grandpa taking too much, man.
Yeah, that's why.
That's why what?
I got my daughter, I got my son.
You got what?
Yeah, I got everybody.
You got your daughter.
And look at every followers I got. You see? Look.
But yo, I don't mind with your
And
other followers you
know
got.
the way I am. They know I always have good vibe. I always bring good vibe for them.
Vibes.
I don't know why you hate
They ain't got no vibes, bro. They ain't got no
Because
vibes. When you
I
two
got
all
only one
together
problem
vibes.
with you. You got only one thing more than me. Because
Hey,
you see I'm a boy, man.
this guy's too hungry.
No, I'm not
His
hungry.
face.
Don't never
This
say
guy's
that.
too hungry, man.
No.
No, man. This guy, no. What the
You
heck?
think I'm ugly?
There's nobody gonna like you.
Listen, you see, if you go somewhere, you don't have money, you think I'm ugly, and if I take my wallet, who you think they're gonna take like...
No, man.
No,
All
don't
the
take...
all the girls
They
like
mo-
young guys. Young people. Young people like young people. They want to hang out with young people. That's right, man.
You think I'm hot?
What you need you, man?
You think I'm
I
hot?
mean, you too
Look
old.
at my
bro.
face, look.
You're too old, man. 93.
Show me, okay, show
You look
me
like
your
93 years old.
Show me your style. Look.
93 years old.
Look. Look.
But you are old, boy.
You think you better than me. Show me what you got.
You're old, boy. You see me? You see me?
You don't look
You know,
nothing.
man, I'm vibing when you know I'm young, man. This guy is too old, man. Sure, man, you need to stop, grandpa. You need
Look.
to stop.
Hold on.
You need to stop.
No.
This guy is too old, man. This guy ain't got money,
You
you
see?
know? Yeah,
They
no, they receive like $600 every month. These guys ain't got money. That's
Yeah, you see, that's why
I'm
I thought
working all day, all the time.
Hey, si Joe mercenaire, si Vice mercenaire, Alan got this shit.
That's why Peter, I play with him whenever I want. You see? We love you guys.
Yeah, these guys ain't got none, man.
But don't listen to him. When you say I'm ugly, he knows it's not true.
It's too old. It's too old. It's that whole guy. You know, anybody want to be to a whole guy. This guy is too old, man. This guy is too old. Nobody want to be with a grandpa. But this guy ain't got enough money.
You don't know what he's talking
I
about.
say someone can be with a grandpa, but since the grandpa got money. But this guy doesn't got
I got
none.
money.
But it
You know I got money? You want me to show you what I got?
what you got, brother?
I got a lot of money, you know that?
I don't see it. Where
Okay.
you get it?
If we wanna see how much money I got, put some fire on the life. I'm gonna show
This
you.
guy's getting on, man.
Don't fucking play with me.
This
And
guy's
this
getting on, man.
This is Granmoun Blode.
Ah, this guy's getting on, man. This guy's got no money, man. He said this guy is too old, and then he was still a young guy, you know. This guy is too old, man. You don't accept that. It's to accept that, you know, you are too old now. It's time to, like, they're sleeping, making your bowls, and eat your food, and then with the tail, you will be die.
I still got my energy.
You know, after a couple of days, of a couple of years, you're gonna be dead, man.
Why? Don't say that. Don't say that.
So it's too old, man.
You think you're gonna live like more life than me?
Yeah, that's right. You got 93 years old, boy. Not too old, man.
How old are you?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm 32.
32.
Yeah, I'm a young guy, man.
You don't know your age.
I'm young, man. I'm young.
I don't know why every Asian always like keep people.
I'm young. Do you see my face? I'm young. Is that a young guy, man?
You look more young.
You say everybody wanna be with me because I'm young. I'm a young guy. This guy is too old. You don't need to accept he's old. You know, you're gonna be dying. You know what? You know what? You need to die, man. If you die, I gotta get your insurance money, man. You need to die. You need to die to get your money. This guy needs to die to get his money.
Don't listen him.
This guy needs to die to get his money.
Let me show you what he's drinking. You see? That's why I say he's drunk. Don't listen him. It's not his fault. It's not his fault. It's my fault because
this guy's really fucking dying to get his money, man.
you see, he just, hey, hi, how you doing, my love? Okay, let me. You wanna talk with some?
You said you just do. We got love. You got love here.
Huh?
You just someone is your love. You got love, right? What the fuck is this? This girl got a love.
Yeah, I got a lot of fun here. The
Yeah,
love.
girl got a love.
Hey, you beautiful baby. How are you?
Hey,
How you doing, man? Beautiful.
yeah.
What's going on?
Yeah, go around me.
The Morning Mac Show. While you take a break, I'm gonna take a break and talk to our people that just came in. Oops. What's this? What's going on?
Hey, who you think is better? You think he's better than me?
Who I think is better?
Yes, I'm better.
No.
Yes, I'm better.
Hold on.
I'm better.
You think he's better than me?
I like the hat. I like the hat. Yeah.
You know the hat in this guy. This guy's too old, man. This guy is too. What the hell it is?
Yeah, but he got style. The guy got style. He got swag.
Yeah, you see, I got swag.
He got swag.
This guy ain't got none. This guy ain't got no, man. This guy got swag.
Billy Doudou semble mercenaire. Michael Durant, dans l'âme de mercenaire.
Yes.
Fuck you,
See?
man.
I know I got swag, baby.
This guy got swag.
You know what's
swag?
wrong,
What swag got? What swag got? This guy is too old,
You
man.
say I'm too old.
Where you guys from? We are all the way over here in the DMV, Maryland. I'm doing a show on the internet called the Morning Mac Show.
You mad at
It's
me?
a radio show.
So, thank you so much. I like that because you show me, you fuck with me, you show me the love.
Fuck it is. You said these guys is swag. That mean.
Oh my God.
Man, yo, I give you a big respect now. Yo, I disrespect you, man. You
No, I love my
I respect this guy can be.
Let me tell you something. Where you from? Where you from?
We're from the DMV, Maryland, DC, and Virginia.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Where you from?
Yes, look. I don't know what is his problem. He just say like he mad. I don't know why he mad. Look,
Hey, man.
I got swag than him.
You got swing than me. You got swag than me, man. You got swag than me. You're a whole guy, boy. You're a whole guy. You're a whole boy. You're stupid, man. This guy is too old, man.
You
This guy,
remind me of an old
this
Kid
guy ain't got
Rock.
no swag. He got nothing. Yo, this guy, yo.
He look like Kid Rock. You know how Kid Rock has the hat and the scarf and the gloves? He could be Kid Rock.
Why you put gloves in his hair?
No, because I'm really cold. It's cold.
Oh
Look.
man, this is stupid. Man. I don't know
I
what.
know how to dance.
Don't
I
get
know how
mad,
to do
cutie.
everything.
You can dance.
I know how
You
to.
can dance. You can
You
dance.
don't know nothing.
You can dance.
Yeah, I can dance.
Oh, dance for her. Dance for her.
You
Okay,
can
what
dance.
kind of music you want me to dance for you? Hold on. What song?
This guy don't know nothing. This guy don't know nothing. Yeah, this guy, you're talking, man. He's talking too much. This guy is crazy, man. This is crazy. You know, this guy is out of his mind, man. This guy's no.
You heard me?
Hey, if you want to listen to our show, go on the internet on nlgradio.com and you can listen live. It's on there, nlgradio.com, and go to the Platinum Room.
Okay, so can you text me, can you DM me the link, please?
Energy.com.
NLG Radio.
Yeah, if you see if you put all of our live and this
Yeah, nlgradio.com. And it should come up. Next Level Radio. Did it come up?
Shall we?
we say energy.com.
Did it come up? Go to the Platinum Room.
Hold on. I'm gonna tell you. You can take some fun because my phone goes.
nlgradio.com. It should come up, and it should be a thing said Next Level Radio.
Okay, wait a minute. You say ALG.com.
Thank you so much, baby.
Energy.com. You say NLG.com.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
You gotta show her.
Look, I'm gonna show you the look. Y'all, you see that? You see that?
Yeah, okay, send it to us. Just send it to us. It's gonna be better.
Let me make a screenshot. Hold
Yeah,
on.
NLG, you gotta put in nlgradio.com. I showed you the logo.
Energy where you at, like up with your energy. Yeah, energy.
Do you see the logo?
Okay.
You see the logo?
Yeah.
The logo.
That's all right. Yeah, we got it.
And we're the Morning Mac Show. We're on 4 days a week.
Okay.
Thank you for tuning with us. I really appreciate that. So, have a beautiful one, baby.
Check us out.
Yeah.
And then whenever you want to tune in or you want a song, we could play it for you, whatever it is.
What here?
We could play whatever song you want.
Right now?
Yeah, well, yeah, you tell us what, and we could play it. You hear the music?
Yeah. Okay. We do it later. I thank you. Thanks. I appreciate it, man. You are good people, man. I like you. I like the way you support us. You know, stuff like that, man. You're a good guy, good girl, man. You know, have a good day, and man. See you next time. And love
Okay.
you. Love you.
Bye-bye.
Love you, beautiful. Yeah. Bye.
She don't love you. I don't pay, I don't look like.